Hello, I'm Dr. Alan Martinez from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana. One of the questions we hear most often is, what happens if something goes wrong after my dental treatment? The answer is simple. We stand behind our work. If there's ever a problem caused by our workmanship or by a defect in the materials we used, we'll repair or replace the treatment at no additional charge for the covered dental work. Our goal is to provide long-lasting results using premium materials and proven techniques. So warranty issues are very uncommon. But if something that is our responsibility needs attention, we'll make it right. Like any dental practice, our guarantee doesn't cover damage caused by accidents, poor oral hygiene, or failure to follow your aftercare instructions. And while we can't reimburse travel or hotel expenses if a return visit is needed, we'll take care of the covered dental treatment itself. We believe that earning your trust means standing behind every smile we create. If you have any questions about our guarantee or your treatment plan, our team will be happy to explain everything before you begin. We look forward to helping you smile with confidence.